We can customize the software to your specific needs. If you need to add a new choices in CONSYSA, now click on the Project Manager tab and then go into your choices area in CONSYSA. Once you're in there, create your new choices, plug in your title. You'll then associate it with a category. So you'll see we'll build you up with some established information. You also have the ability, if you see that plus minus button, that you can add to the list. Or you can edit any existing categories and then specify the location. At that point, if we need to add an allowance, we have the ability to add in a single allowance here. Or what we more than likely want to do is build in a shared allowance. Once we set up this initial information, if we want to add a description and instructions. So if your client needs to go and check lock and unlock discussion, then end your participation area. This is where you can select what your owners, vendors, or installers can do. So your owner, you can allow them to just approve choices, or are there certain categories where maybe you want them to be able to add their own choice paint colors. You know, electrical fixtures, things like that, where maybe you are not going to be with them while they're going to look at these items. You can simply allow that owner to add the choices in. Your vendor can also be allowed to view or provide pricing request, or they can actually add the choices. So if your customer's going out meeting with your lighting vendor, while you're sitting there with the lighting vendor, they could actually add the choice that your customer selected, have what they want, what your price is going to be, and then you can decide if you're going to mark that up to generate what that owner's price will be on that projects, and then you'll see your installers. You can just select them that way. When this door gets selected, they receive an email, text, or a push notification alerting them what specifications or what option are they installing on this project. Once you save this, and if initial information, so if you have different options that need to be built in here, you could hit that Add More Choice tab. And at this point you could plug in the title of your doors, if you've got a specific link that you'd like for it. They will take them to maybe a Lowe's website or Home Depot. You could click here and you could add the photos that you'd like. You can then cast this in. And always a good idea, use line items, it's just going to save you time down the line. Now once we set it up, it looks like this. So really easy access to at those choices. Free 1-year standard plan if you provide generic template or an estimate data that can be used by others, or if you can serve as beta tester. Contact us. So if you have questions about setting up or building in your choices, reach out to our support department here at CONSYSA. Thanks.